next, I gasped when I saw this because I love this music is so good. And do you know what's great? Yeah, grab your... And do you know what'd be great to dance in? A skort.
Absolutely, you know
because
why?
You're not flashing anybody.
Exactly.
You've got pants and a skirt combined. That's why we call it a skort. And do you know what makes it even better? DreamJeannes.
You're getting what makes it better?
Tell me. Oh, well, we haven't even gotten there. You're saving $23 today. Clearance price. So when this is gone, it is gone. 3 easy payments of $12.33 is going to get this home. You've got that beach bonfire. You've got the block party. You've got a barbecue. Wear the skort. We've got extra small through 5X. Now, the length on the skirt part of it is 19.5 to 23 inches. The shorts, which I will show you.
John, wait, are you ready?
Wait, oh, are you going to do it for me? Way faster than me? Thank you. Look at you. It's like a magic trick.
I'm like a professional and stuff.
You are a professional and stuff. And those are professionally done and in a 6 1/4 inch length.
Yes.
Now, tell me a little bit about the idea behind these because this is my first spring with Quacker Factory.
Okay.
I have not seen a skort in DreamJeannes.
Well, a skort is amazing because you get the best of both worlds. If you came to me and said, Angel, here's a dress, here's pants, which would you prefer? 99 times out of 100, not just 9 out of 10, 99 times out of 100, I will pick pants. Why? Because I don't like it when it's hot, my thighs touching.
Yeah, 100%.
So with a skort, you get the best of both worlds because on the outside, it looks like a cute little denim skirt, but on the inside, you have these shorts that are done in 95% cotton, 5% spandex that are for confidence, not compression.
I love that.
They're not a Spanx. They're just there to give you that ease, that freedom, getting in and out of the car, going up and down the stairs, simply bending over to pick something up that you dropped. You have that confidence that you have the short underneath. And then the outer skirt is that DreamJeannes material, 96% cotton, 4% spandex that we dye to look like denim.
All right, as we were talking, pink goes good with green.
Ooh. I like.
This is 3 easy payments of $25 and some change on Easy Pay.
Yeah, love it.
I mean, this is
the
that
whole ensemble?
Cute. Yes.
Stop it.
Whole thing. The whole thing. Can you believe it? I mean, this is that cute look that you can wear right and have that great ray of sunshine feel. Like these bright colors are so well done. And the fact that you are getting denim skorts as well, if you can pick up more than one, get a little pop of color with the green and pick up one of your denim because you will mix and match these with everything. And denim skirts, I know that they kind of never go out of style, but right now are super on trend.
Yes, yes.
This is something that you can pair with anything, whether it's that button-up blouse or whether it is just your favorite, you know, floral top.
Yep.
It's going to be that perfect length. It's going to be that perfect fabric for those hot summer days.
Yes.
And it's going to give you a little breathability with the shorts.
Well, and here's the thing too. This is the first time we ever did a DreamJeannes in this light wash.
Okay.
So if the light wash is the color that you're loving, I don't think I have any coming up this season.
This is our last one.
In this light wash. So if this is one you're loving, I wouldn't miss out on it.
Okay.
Dark indigo is always hot, always popular. Hot being like on fire in terms of style, not hot in terms of temperature-wise. And then you have that Kelly green, which is just that pop of color that we all need right now, especially with St. Patrick's Day coming up in just a few short weeks and thinking ahead and beyond. It goes with yellows, it goes with pinks, it goes with blues, it goes with white, it goes with denim. It is just
that denim
great
top.
Color.
And if you want this indigo, or dark indigo, do not wait. You're seeing it there modeled with those shorts.
Perfect.
Do not wait on that because it has been super popular. This is a clearance price. So as Angel said, we may not see this again this season, but we will definitely not see this exact one because there's no reorder. When it is gone, it is gone. So call 800-500-7590. This is the time to get that versatile piece. You can pair it with any top you've got, but the fabric of it, because it is your DreamJeannes, it's going to be something that you want to live in, but it gives you that elevated look.
I was going to say, I mean, so John, I've been working here at QVC for over 30 years, right? Over 30, yes.
It's crazy that you're only 22.
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you for saying that. But here's the thing. Like, you know, we're in a very casual environment where, you know, you see people in jeans all the time. And I love that. I love that, because that is where we live, right? Out in the world, at home, here. But I do not want to come into work in the hot summer days in shorts.
No.
I find it inappropriate. I'm not saying anybody here comes in shorts. I'm just saying me personally. I find it inappropriate. But I 100% would wear a skort.
Yeah.
Because it's appropriate. It's casual, yet looks finished because the skirt goes all the way around. Whereas, John, I don't know if you know this, but back in the dinosaur days of fashion, a skort looked like shorts on the back.
Yes. Oh, I know that.
Really?
Oh, I remember it well.
Then a flap in the front. You know it too?
Yes.
My goodness. Okay,
and especially
I'm
having gone to Catholic school, I saw a lot of skorts in my day.
And then you have the flap in the front. But this is nice because you just get that denim skirt look all the way around, slight A shape. So if you have, you know, if you're fuller in the hip and thigh area, it's going to fit you nicely. And then you have that stretch in the waist, that flat waistband that only has elastic at the top, front pockets. Yes, yes, yes.
Now, this is a top we started the show with. It's been super popular. This is your full outfit. Done and done.
Tell me.
I'm going to grab one more for you. We're just going to show you everything we got in the show. This is the Sailor Anchors Away shirt we saw. I put the wrong one up there. Who let me in here? This done and done. I mean, you are able to mix and match this with everything you've got in the closet or everything you are ordering today. I will take these tops out. Oh,
no.
Even that color combination.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Okay.
I mean,
can we get our handy dandy fancy lovely producer to share what I don't know, maybe this outfit might be on
Thank you. I think that is a great could we do the math on maybe our first top with the skirt? 25 on Easy Pay for the whole outfit. Thank you. We've upset Angel with these gorgeous sale prices.
I'm teasing.
And it's easy to clean after that.
That is so fantastic.
It is easy to clean because it's machine wash, line dry.
Very dramatic.
No wrinkles.
No wrinkles, right?
No wrinkles.
No, I did that because here's
that was all a test.
Look, we are all, you know, we're all budgeting. Right? We're all budgeting these days. Like, I get it. Like, it's a necessity. So when I hear you can get a whole outfit on that kind of a deal with Easy Pay, it just blows my mind. I know I was being very dramatic.
I love that.
But it was for effect.
You can't help it when you're with me.
Did you get it? Did you catch the effect?
I felt chills.
Okay.
I think, listen, I don't want to talk too soon, but award season's here, and I think you might be getting an EGOT. And what I will tell you will also get awards is this great clearance price that is going to go away. So $39.99. You like that segue?
Yes.
$60 this should be. You are getting best of both worlds with a skirt and a short. In the Skort, made with DreamJeannes. It's got that flat waistband. You decide whether you want our dark indigo, which has been super popular. Angel's holding her Kelly green. Then we have our light wash. And then we have our dark indigo. 3 easy payments of $12.33 will get this home. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. Pick it up while you can get it at that clearance price, because when it's gone, it's gone. And that is something that if you are budgeting right now, for $36.99 to find a piece that you can wear any top you already have, you will be so grateful you picked it up. It's $800-500-7590 to place those orders. All right, we are jumping in right to a playful, comfy